Here's an example of effective inbound marketing starting with an organic search. If somebody were to search reduce damaged products on a conveyor, they're going to see first an ad, but then second and third are blog posts. Notice it's not landing on your homepage or a homepage, it's landing to content related to the question or phrase that they're searching. You're also going to see images there. Now let's search conveyor lead time. If you do that, the first thing you're going to see is that featured snippet. That's awesome. You're going to see 12 questions to ask. That's a blog post. The second one is a blog as well. We own the videos and the images, multiple different ways to consume information, whether that be video or written content. Now, if you click into the blog post with the featured snippet, on the right side, you get a little bit of about us, about Glideline. You're going to see call to action scattered on the margin and the right side, and then throughout the blog post. You're also going to see videos, a well-formatted blog, and if you were to click on any of these given call to actions, they lead to a premium content offer. Now, the call to action should be directly related to the content they're reading about, so in this case, lead time. They click on one, they're going to land on a landing page. And to get this information, they have to exchange bits of their information to get it. The amount of questions you can ask and the questions you can ask are directly related to the value of this piece of content that you're offering. When they hit submit, they're going to get to a thank you page where they can immediately view that piece of content they're interested in. They're also going to get an email with it. And then we're always positioning next steps. Always position a next step on every single page on your website. Here is the ebook that they downloaded. Very visual, clean look. And again, this is also going to be emailed to them. And when it arrives in their inbox, you're going to see hi friend. Those could be and should be personalized based on that information you just collected from this lead. Always provide a next step, which in this case is an ebook for customized conveyor design guide.